Ever wondered about the raw power behind women's fast bowling? Today, we uncover the science making these deliveries lethal. Welcome to our deep dive into women's cricket's scientific edge. Fast bowlers are the game's undeniable aggressors, dominating matches. But what exact science fuels their incredible pace and accuracy? We explore the biomechanics transforming athletes like Ellyse Perry. From Australia, Perry's action exemplifies athletic efficiency. South Africa's Shabnim Ismail also showcases incredible speed. Her blistering 128 km/h delivery is a record for women's cricket. This pace isn't just natural talent, it's precise scientific application. Understanding the kinetic chain is fundamental to bowling speed. It starts from the ground up, linking every body segment. The bowler's run-up generates initial momentum and rhythm. Then, the front foot plants firmly, resisting forward motion. This resistance creates a powerful ground reaction force. The energy then transfers sequentially through the legs and hips. The core muscles engage, rotating the torso explosively. Finally, the shoulder and arm whip through, maximizing velocity. Any break in this chain reduces overall power output significantly. Ground reaction force is crucial for generating bowling pace. Bowlers push hard into the pitch, propelling their bodies. This force is directed upwards and forwards. This stored energy releases forcefully energy. As the front foot lands, this stored energy releases forcefully. The hips and shoulders rotate violently, adding to the momentum. Catherine Brunt from England masters this rotation. Her powerful action consistently delivers high-speed balls. Optimal wrist position and ball release are also critical. The wrist must be cocked back, then snapped forward precisely. This action imparts maximum backspin and seam movement. Release point consistency dictates accuracy and variation. Coaches use high-speed cameras to analyze these minute details. They identify tiny adjustments that unlock additional speed. Biomechanics also helps prevent career-ending injuries for bowlers. The immense forces involved can lead to stress fractures. For example, lumbar stress fractures are common among fast bowlers. Proper technique distributes stress across muscles and joints. Strength and conditioning programs build robust supporting structures. Core stability exercises are vital for protecting the spine. Monitoring workloads prevents overuse injuries like shoulder strains. Biomechanical analysis identifies risky movements before injury occurs. This data-driven approach keeps elite bowlers on the field. It ensures longevity for incredible athletes like Perry and Ismail. The science of fast bowling continues evolving, pushing boundaries. It's a testament to human potential and scientific innovation. So, the next time you watch, appreciate the science behind the speed. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.